Forgotten username recovery fail on TradeStation App Fix. If you've tried recovering your TradeStation app username and hit a wall, most people get this wrong by skipping verification or using an outdated email. The surprising truth is that you can recover your username faster than you think with the right steps. Step 1. Open the TradeStation app and select Forgot Username. Enter the email linked to your account. TradeStation will send a recovery email containing your username or a secure link to reset your login credentials. Step 2. Check all email folders, including spam, junk, and promotions. Recovery emails are often filtered automatically, and repeated attempts in a short time may temporarily lock your account. Step 3. If your registered email is no longer active, gather verification details such as your full name, date of birth, and recent account activity. Contact TradeStation support directly and provide this information, including link bank or brokerage details, can speed up verification and restore access quickly. Step 4. Once your username is recovered, store it securely in a password manager. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent future login issues. Following these steps ensures you regain access efficiently while keeping your TradeStation account safe. Proper verification and careful credential management are key to protecting your investments.